This is a video recording of Indexx. Here's Steve, our newcomer in our management team for business development. So, Steve, how do you hook up with Indexx?
How did I come to know you in the last few days? Well, a good friend of mine, Rod, said, hey, I'm going to meet with this guy I met playing pickleball, and he's in the crypto industry, and I want you to come along. I'm a full-time professional retail trader, so I came over with Rod and met Brian, and we started talking about what he was doing. I'm curious about crypto. I trade a little bit of Bitcoin and proxies for Bitcoin in the market. And so I was real curious. I've never had any real crypto. I've never owned any real Bitcoin. And so I started talking to Brian about what he was doing. And then he came to know that I was a professional retail trader, and I do it every day. And so he started talking to me and said, hey, why don't you come on board and help us? Because there's a lot of trading in the crypto community, and it's only growing.
Yes. Also very impressive. I went to meet Steve in his house. Steve is a professional trader with all the stocks and maybe even commodities, six, 7, 8 different big monitors, including the laptop and TV monitor and computer monitors, set up really ready to run at any given time. Depends on the schedule of the stock market, on and off, open and close. I think we're in California. The trading time is 6 o'clock of our morning.
6:30 in the morning.
6:30 in the morning in standard Pacific Standard Time, which is New York 9:30.
9:30 to 1 in the afternoon.
Yes. So at that time, don't you ever call Steve or bother him. He is trading. But we brought Steve's expertise to help Indexx not only for the business development, but also help us to monitoring the future trading in crypto. With his experience trading with stock, it's not that difficult for him to pick up the crypto trading for us. We plan to be heavily involved the Bitcoin trading. Although Bitcoin right now is in its own bull run market at this point, but still up and down with volatile behaviors and performance. But Steve said, you know what Steve told me? I love the volatiles.
Volatility. Traders live off volatility. So Bitcoin's been a wild ride. It's back in the news because it's been so strong. We had the early run a couple years ago, and then it pulled back, and it seems like the crypto world went really quiet. And now everybody's talking about crypto again. And so, you're hearing all kinds of estimates of 250,000, 500,000 on Bitcoin. But at any rate, it's, I think recently traded up to 74,000, and today around 63, 65,000. It's pulled back a little bit, but
well, it could be down to 59, 58, 57. That's a possibility. But so what? I think we have another guy very famous called Michael, very famous person called Michael Saylor in running a micro strategy. He bought a shitload of Bitcoin while Bitcoin was $67,000 and $68,000 2 weeks ago. But he's not selling and he's not trading, and he just keep storage the Bitcoin. He has almost in the world, he is basically having almost near more than 10% of all the Bitcoins in the world, or maybe more than that. I think after he keep buying it one day, based on what I heard from other third-party forecasts for MicroStrategy, they said in the year of 2030 to 33, he may become to one of the top 10 public company in the U.S.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Yes,
I think he owns 190,000 Bitcoin, somewhere around there, and if Bitcoin goes where he thinks it's going, he's definitely going to be one of the most valuable companies.
Yeah. Before people, when the 2 years ago or even year and a half ago, people look at him like a big champ, a big monkey in the industry, making a aggressive purchasing decision for Bitcoin. He almost filed bankruptcy because Bitcoin keep going down. Now he looks like a hero. But you know what? There's only limited 20 million Bitcoins in the world. So I think all our belief is we knew Bitcoin is a limited. Bitcoin has its own limit with quantity, so that will drive the value up. In less than 5-10 years, maybe we already will see Bitcoin may hit a quarter or 500,000 value.
Right, and there's a halving coming up in April.
Yeah. All right, so guys, with the Bitcoin increase, like at the beginning of another bull run, Indexx will probably also benefit by offering more service and more marketing method to drive Indexx to be so we call Indexx like a paradise of crypto. You can come over to play the lotto, come over to do the Wall Street product we had, and also we will continue to drive the value up of our Indexx crypto.